What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Supreme Daniel Johnston unboxing. I am so hyped for this one, guys. I've been waiting for this stuff for a minute. Honestly though, this is probably the fastest shipping I've seen from Supreme this season, so I was pretty hyped to get all this pretty quickly. But anyways, enough talking. I just want to jump right into this. Alright, so with the first package, oh, actually I forgot to mention that there are some stickers with this. I have only seen 2 stickers so far, so I'm not entirely sure if there really are only 2 or if there are more. But let's just say for now there's only 2 stickers, so hopefully we can get both of them. Which is kind of weird though, actually, because with the Daniel Johnston collabs in the past, they usually give us a ton of stickers, so only seeing 2 this time is a bit odd. But since we have no in-store releases, it's kind of hard to tell now. But anyways, enough on that. Let's pull out the shirts and see what we got, because honestly I forgot what I ordered, to be honest. Okay, no stickers in there. Okay, so we did get 1 sticker. We got the Kill 'Em All sticker right here. I think this is the one I seen. Yeah, only came in that, and then the 2 box logos. So I think this is actually Ashley's order that she got from me. So let's see what we got here first. We got the I Know Supreme, which is honestly my favorite graphic. I was so hyped on this. We got the I Know Supreme beanie and the black colorway. On the back it just says Supreme. I am going to be keeping this on ice for a little bit, so unfortunately I'm not going to be opening it. It's not going for a lot of money right now, which I'm kind of surprised, but I feel like maybe around Christmas time when the winter hits, they might go for more, but I'm just going to hold on to it because I feel like right now it's going for too low. I feel like it hasn't reached its full potential yet. Maybe people just sleeping, I don't know, but I'm going to be holding on to that. And then next we have the, okay, it just says Daniel Johnston tee in the black XL. This is, okay, so this is like the devil looking thing, and it says Supreme. Again, I'm not opening it. This is going to be a pretty weak unboxing, honestly. I got this in the black colorway, size extra large, so this is a really good size. Shout out to Ashley getting that for me. And then lastly, in Ashley's order, we got the I Know Supreme in the black colorway. I love this shirt. I might open this one because I'm not sure. I don't remember if I got this in my size, but I want this in the light teal colorway, but I was not able to get it. So it's been hard to find really for a good price because I don't really want to pay like too crazy of a price on this. So I might keep this one. So I'll set this one here for right now. But one last overview. It does have the frog on it. It says Daniel Johnston, and then has the I Know Supreme. Love this tee so much. So moving on to the last package in this unboxing. This will be the stuff that I got. Hopefully we got that last Supreme sticker. So we got no stickers in there. Here we got another beanie in the black. I thought I got a different color, but I guess I got black. So we got another Daniel Johnston beanie right here. It's the black one, I Know Supreme. Same exact like the other one. Don't really have too much more to say about it. Alright, so right here we did get the I Know Supreme Daniel Johnston frog sticker. Mine is cut, so that kind of sucks. Yeah, it's like literally a cut with a knife. I Know Supreme right here. Love this sticker so much. And then we got another one of the same exact stickers that I got before. And then a red box logo sticker. And then, okay, so I didn't remember what I got. So it looks like I got the I Know Supreme in the black large. So I'm actually not going to keep the medium because I'm trying to switch on over to larges. I kind of like the way the larges fit me a little bit better. They're a little bit longer. I'll set that there for right now. Moving on, we got that same exact tee that I had in extra large as well, but we got it in a large, also in the black colorway. Not too much more to say about this one because I already showed this one off. And then lastly, we have the Kill 'Em All tee in the light teal colorway in a size large. I am in love with this teal colorway. It looks so nice. That's why I really want to get the frog tee in that. So I think actually I'm not going to open this up. I'm just going to wait to see if I'm able to get it or not later on. Wow, this tag looks a little bit different. That's crazy. Yeah, the tags are a little bit different in length. It kind of looks like the tags are a little bit different in length though. That might have been just like an issue, like a manufacturer issue. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm not going to open up this one because I'm just going to try to get it in the teal. Basically, if I sell this one, I basically get in the teal for free, kind of like a trade out. Not opening the frog one, unfortunately. This teal, I don't know how well the camera's going to pick it up, but I love this teal. Then you got the Kill 'Em All graphic, which is basically this graphic, but on the t-shirt. And this sticker is pretty sick as well. So I think we got all the stickers, even though I am going to try to get this frog sticker again because this one's kind of cut. Like, I don't know how well you can see it, but it got cut right down the side. That's a little sad. That's going to do it for my Daniel Johnston unboxing. I am so hyped with this. Like, this was a pretty good release. I was able to get the free shipping on the one order, so that alone was a dub to me. I didn't get the thing I wanted, so that was a little bit of a bummer. But like I said, I think if I just sell that, I basically just trade up for the other one. So it's kind of like getting it for myself. So I'm going to be on the hunt for that. If you actually got the frog tee in a light teal size large, let me know in the comments down below because I would be interested in buying that from you. You could also hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram will be in the description down below. Make sure you toss me a follow. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.